don't know if I'm ever thinking about getting into selling hair or however. I am looking for a vendor myself, you know, so that was nice that they sent this card to let you know. Okay. So today we are here with another review. But I was sent some hair today from ISEE Hair, which is a hair company. It's 100% human hair. They sent me a wig, okay? I've been loving wigs lately because it's like get up and go. I don't have to do much, you know? So get my little wig. They send me a wig. So they send with their wig the wig cap. Okay, this is for that bald cap method, guys, okay? You could turn a little bald head on into a nice natural look, okay, nowadays, so. And this is a nice color. This is a color that I could work with. So apparently, guys, this is a nice vendor, okay? They got hair for grabs right now. So if you're thinking about starting a company or however, this probably could be a good one, guys, to go and purchase some hair through, you know, wholesale. And they got all type of hair. So when you go on their website, you can check them out. Here's the units. Guys, look at that. That is a Brazilian body wave. And this hair is 8A virgin human hair. Those type numbers make a difference. And 8A, 9A, you know, you got the stars out here. They stuff is just flowing with the wind, okay? Like, let's just say, for instance, hair that I have seen that's out here that I really like is Nicki Minaj. Like, her hair is nice and thin, but it flows and it's long, and I like that. But her hair is probably every bit of 30A, okay? We working with 8A here, which is still pretty good because when I first started getting into bundles, I would only get a 7A. And a 7A was like, it wasn't silky. It was not like this. Like, it looked it as the part, but when you went to go in and flat iron it and do all of that, it wasn't working. It wasn't that. So it wasn't going to get that silkiness to it. It's not bad hair, but I'm just saying that the further you go up, 8A, 9A, you know, that's that silky smooth and that silky straight type hair. It's 20 inches. Let's look into the lace. So you got your pluckage. You see that defined line back there, guys? That's what we'll go in and pluck, but that looks pretty good. That's more like the side view of it. That looks good though. Them knots are not bleached, but you can always go in and put your cap on, which will give you an illusion of a scalp. So they sent that for you and made that easy. And then you can always go and just throw some makeup on it. You see how my hand is tinted more than the lace, and it already gave it life. You see what I'm saying? So when you go in and put your little makeup on there, it's gonna automatically look like something on top of having the cap on. I'm very pleased with this wigage. But guys, what I think I'm gonna do with this hair is, you know, I don't go in breaking it down. I really want to, but it is that body wave. I just love me a good body wave. But I am going to install it. It won't be this video, but just stay tuned for that. I just wanted to let you guys know and get you hip to what we got going on here. Okay. They shipped it out to me and it only took about 3 days. Okay, they used DHL to ship. So they be like Johnny on the spot. Now, if you miss them at the door, okay, you have to sign for your package. If you miss them at the door, then they will be leaving you a note and calling and trying to come back. So it actually got here in 3 days, and then it took extra days just because I wasn't available when they came. It's a 13x4 lace. Okay. You got the 4 combs in here, okay? You don't have the strap, or the hair strap, but you got 4 combs and you have the adjustable bands back here. So it's just, what I want to call that word, double, it's just like a double security thing. And if you want to be technical, it's triple security, because this is going to hold them sides down, and this is going to make sure can't nobody come from the back and say, you know how they getting ignorant out here. I've been seeing videos now. It's pretty ready, set, go. All you have to do is put it on, cut your ear tabs how you would need them to fit your face, and go from there. Okay, so we're gonna be doing something with this baby in the next video, but y'all go check them out. I'm gonna leave everything about them down in the description, and I'm going to say that they have a code for me. So if there's a code there, it will be below in the description, and then you can get some money off of this beauty. Okay, so I am going to make sure that the code is up and going, because I know that before they a lot of my honeys was saying that the code was not working, and we not having that. You know, everything should be ready, set, go, because I'm making everything ready, set, go. Okay, and if you guys want to jump on this right now, just go on ahead down to that description, and we're gonna make sure it's ready, set, go before the video even gets up. I just gotta run it. Oh God, you know, the more you play with it, what guys, the bigger it get. So it's like, oh my God, oh Lord, I just had to. That gives you like that Hollywood wave type of curl thing, you know. But of course, once you get it on, you have to brush through it and style it and do what you do. You're going to be breaking and busting that down anyway. So that's it, guys. If you are interested, go on and check ISEE hair out. And then, like I said, they have more than enough hair to go around, okay? They can be your personal vendor if you would like, because they have that available for us. Okay, so I don't know if I'm ever thinking about getting into selling hair or however. I am looking for a vendor myself, you know. So that was nice that they sent this card to let you know. Okay, go ahead, honey. Okay, with some reasonable prices, and then you can go and satisfy your honeys. Okay, and that's what I'm all about. So we will be using this hair and this cap on the next one. Hold on, I gotta do the whole thing, okay? If you guys are new here, make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell, because you know at the end of the day, we are out here and we don't let none of that bother us. At this point of the video, I will see you guys on the next one. The next one. Love you guys. Thank you guys.